Start. Madam, I beg to move stop passage that the bill to prevent the commission of offences of atrocities against the members of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes to provide for special courts for the trial of such offences and for the relief and rehabilitation of the victims of such offences and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Stop passage. This is aware of the deep concern that our Prime Minister and our government have for the welfare of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes. Stop. Many new initiatives have been taken, particularly in the last few years, to improve the lot of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes. Stop. Since we got independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and then Mrs. Indira Gandhi and now our Prime Minister have been trying to improve the economic and social conditions of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes. Stop. In trying to discharge a mandate of the Constitution, poverty alleviation programs which provide special attention to the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes have been expanded and intensified. Stop passage. First, the IRDP and other programs were improved considerably and now these have been replaced by a bigger scheme of the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Stop. Drinking water wells and irrigation wells have been provided for this group. Stop. The needs of housing have been met by the Indira Awas Yojana. Stop. The program for the liberation of scavengers has been given a greater impetus. Stop. The education of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, which is of crucial importance to their growth and development, has received much greater attention. Stop. The number of students studying beyond the matriculation stage has gone up to 13 lakhs. Stop. Passage. Coaching centers have been increased. Stop. A special drive is currently on for filling up the backlog which had arisen. Stop.